Hello, everybody. We are going to go through our extension activity for Stress Awareness Month, and then I will load the questions at the end so that you can, so that you can answer those questions so that I know that you're understanding what we're talking about this month. So, Stress Awareness Month. April is National Stress Awareness Month in the US. You can do activities to feel less stress. Let's learn more about some of these activities. So, in our news article, we learned a little bit more about what stress is. So, now we kind of know what it could make our body feel like, that it could make us more upset or sad or feeling lonely or scared and just not as happy. So, this is going to give us some more information about what we could do. To feel less stressed. So this is going to be some information and some ideas for what we can do in order to try to stay calm during this time. You can exercise. Everyone feels stressed sometimes. You can do activities to feel less stress. One way to feel less stress is to exercise. Exercise makes your body produce chemicals that help relax your muscles and improve your mood. Kinds of exercise include walking, riding a bike, and kicking a soccer ball around. So these people over here are kicking a soccer ball. So they are getting some exercise. They're making their bodies work. They're raising their heart rate a little bit, which we all know is good to help your body be pumping that blood through your body. And it's good for you. I know that Jackson's been playing some basketball, so kudos to you, Jackson, for getting some exercise and being outside and playing some basketball. That is some good exercise. So what kind of exercise do you like to do and why? An exercise that I like to do is run. I like to run because I can decide to go fast. I can decide to go slow. I can run by myself. I can listen to some music. I can run with somebody else. It gives me a lot of opportunity to do it a little bit differently. And it makes me feel good. It makes me feel strong. So that is the exercise that I like to do. You can get better sleep. Scientists say most kids need 10 to 11 hours of sleep each night. People do different things to get better sleep. You should go to bed at the same time each night. Now, this might be a little bit hard right now because we aren't getting up super early to go to school. We are able to sleep in a little bit. And so then, for me anyways, this means I stay up a little bit too late. So I end up sleeping in because I'm staying up late. You can take a warm bath or read a book before bed. Again, this is something that I love to do. I love to read right before bed. Kind of gets me checked out from all of our activities during the day and gives me something else to think about. You should use your bed just for sleep. Do not do homework or play games in bed. You know, this is something different for each person. Some people like to use their bedrooms to chill out and take some time away from everybody and have some independent time in there. This is a suggestion to not do that, but it is best for you and your family, but just an idea. If you are not able to fall asleep right away, maybe you should just use your bedroom or your bed for sleeping and not playing. Here's an example of kids reading a book before bed. You can eat healthy foods. Healthy foods give your body plenty of energy. Energy can help you feel less stressed. Fruits and vegetables and dairy products like milk are healthy foods. Eating foods with lots of protein is important. These foods include meat, eggs, nuts, beans, or tofu. Eating whole grain cereal, rice, and bread is important too. So we've talked about healthy foods a lot earlier this school year. So you should know which foods are healthy that you love and which foods that you love are not so healthy that you should probably not eat so much of. This is hard for our family because we're home all day, so we are snacking a lot. So we're trying to make sure that we have healthy choices in our house. So if we do want a snack, we're choosing something that's a little bit more healthy. Although I do know that the boys just had Oreos for breakfast. So I should do a better job about that. But you know what? Let's have something healthy for lunch and we'll move on. What is your favorite healthy food? What is one kind of exercise? So is exercise riding a bike, baking cookies, or eating a snack? Riding a bike is a type of exercise. All right.
Riding a bike.
Oh, I kind of wanted her to ding me.
Riding a bike.
There, that's the ding I like to hear. Means we're correct. What should you use your bed for? Should you use your bed for doing homework, for sleeping, or for games? You could use your bed for all three of these things, but what did the story recommend? Yes, they recommended that you use it for sleep. She doesn't sound very excited today, does she? This recorded voice of ours. What does healthy food give you? Does healthy food give you a trophy, some energy, or a haircut? Although most of us might be needing haircuts right now, healthy food can give us energy. You can do something that makes you happy. Doing something you enjoy can help feel less stress. You may play with your pet to feel less stress. You may spend time outdoors. I'm not sure if anybody else looked out the window today. Well, I suppose I'm recording this not on Wednesday. But there was snow outside this morning, so that made us feel a little bit weird, made us feel a little bit stressed because we were wanting to spend the time outside. So hopefully, I guess today we'll just need to bundle up and be outside. But that outside time is really important to our family. Hopefully it's important to yours as well, to get some fresh air and just to be active outside instead of sitting on our butts all weekend and not really doing a whole heck of a lot. You know, we're spending a lot of time as a family, but being active as a family is probably a better choice. So we're going to hopefully do that as the days warm up. Some people enjoy doing puzzles or reading. We just finished a 500-piece puzzle yesterday with dinosaurs on it, which my boys love. So we have spent some time doing puzzles as well. Other people enjoy listening to music, painting pictures, or writing in journals. What is something that makes you happy? So these kids, notice they are all running and their dog is running with them. I know some of you have pets at home, so just taking your dog or cat or whatever outside and spending some time with them outside is always good for the soul and good for your animals as well. They are enjoying some fresh air. If they are outdoor animals, please don't take your animals outside if they are only indoor animals. However, just spending some time with people and things that you love can help you be happy. You can spend time with friends and family. Spending time with friends and family can help you feel less stress. You may play at a playground with your friends. You may play a sport such as baseball. Now, right now, since we are in our safe at home order, we cannot go to playgrounds because there are germs everywhere and we need to make sure that we're keeping ourselves safe. So talk with your family about that. That might just be something that you guys are spending time at home playing outside. Maybe you have a swing or something like that. You can be active playing outside and not necessarily at the playground in town. Some people enjoy going to a beach or swimming in a lake with their families. Other people like playing games at home with their families. What do you enjoy doing with your family? Like I said, we've done some puzzles, we've played some games, lots of Play-Doh, and even some online games or an Osmo or things like that. So some games that encourage some learning and coding are some favorites of ours at our house. But again, time outside and hopefully spending some more time outside to be playing basketball and golfing in the yard and playing baseball is in our near future when it continues to warm up. You can talk with someone. Talking to someone you trust is another way to feel stress. You can talk to a friend, parent, teacher, or school counselor about how you are feeling. This person may have ideas about how to help with your stress. Everyone feels stress sometimes. You can do activities to feel less stress. So who is someone you can talk to? So here's a picture of a girl talking to a school counselor. I mentioned in our news article that that's a little challenging right now since we are not at school. But talking to your family, talking to me, talking to your friends, these might still be ideas that are available right now. So if you're feeling stressed or you're feeling worried and you need someone to talk to, please reach out and do that because we want you to feel as calm as possible and happy during this time. We don't want you sitting at home being upset and sad. What can you play let me read this again. What can you play with to feel less stressed? So can you play with an alien, a shark, or a pet? All right.
Pet.
Asher, I can hear you like in the back of my brain saying, I would play with an alien. Makes me laugh. Where can you play with your friends? Oh, this also makes me feel like Asher would either say Mars or volcano. So Mars, volcano, or playground. So we discussed playground, but sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt her. Right now, not a safe place to play. Who feels stressed sometimes? Everyone, nobody, or dinosaurs? Oh my gosh, Asher, I think this is made for you. Everyone feels stress.
Everyone.
Sometimes. Oops. Okay, thank you everyone for listening and for talking about stress with me. I hope you all have a relaxing day. I'm going to add these game pages on with this video. I know we kind of did them together, but I would like to see you complete them on your own as well and send them to me. So I hope that's an idea that you can follow through with. I will talk to you all soon. Missing you so much. I will be in touch. Take care, guys.